Now let's move to the question number 3. Find the coordinate of the stationary point of the curve with equation given. So we have the y equals to 8x over 2x plus 3, then minus 6x plus 5. This is the equation of given curve, and we need to find the stationary point. So we know that the stationary point can be found out by using equation dy over dx equal to 0. By using this equation we will find x coordinate, and to find dy over dx we will need the quotient rule. Du over v is equals with respect to x is equals to v square, v derivative of u minus u derivative of v. Now find dy over dx. Dy over dx is equals to 8 derivative of x over 2x plus 3 with respect to dx, and then negative 6 derivative of x with respect to x, and then derivative of constant 5 with respect to x. 8. Now we apply quotient rule in this case. So we will have 2x plus 3 whole square, and 2x plus 3 remains same, and derivative of x minus x will remain same, and derivative of 2x plus 3 with respect to dx minus 6, and derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of constant is 0. We solve it further, we will have 8, and this one will be equals to the 2x plus 3, derivative of x is 1 minus x, and derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2 over 2x plus 3 whole square, and then minus 6. 2 times x and positive 2x will be cancelled out, and we will have 24 over 2x plus 3 whole square minus 6. This is the dy over dx. And equating this dy over dx with 0 to find the value of x coordinate. 24 over 2x plus 3 whole square minus 6 is equal to 0, and this one is equal to 24 over 2x plus 3 whole square equal to 6, and this one is equal to 4. So we can say that 2x plus 3 whole square is equals to 4, and further solving we will have 4x square plus 12x plus 9 equal to 4, and this one is equals to the 4x square plus 12x minus plus 5 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation, and we can apply factorization. So we will have 4x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 5 equal to 0, and this one is equals to 2x common, and we will have 2x plus 5 and plus 1, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, we solve it for the 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 5 equal to 0, and this one is x equals to negative 1 by 2, and x is negative 5 by 2. So we have 2x coordinate. Now plug this x coordinate in the given equation to find the y coordinate. So given equation is y equals to 8x over 2x plus 3 minus 6x plus 5. Now plug x is coordinate, which is negative 1 by 2. In this equation we will have y is equal to 8 times negative 1 by 2 over 2 times negative 1 by 2 plus 3 minus 6 times x, which is negative 1 by 2 plus 5. And when we solve it we will have 4 negative over negative 1 plus 3, and this one will be equals to the 3, and this one equals to 5, and this one is equal to negative 2 plus 8, and y coordinate is equals to positive 6. On the other side, we plug x coordinate negative 5 over 2 in the curve equation. So we will have y equals to 8 times negative 5 over 2 over 2 times negative 5 over 2 plus 3, and then minus 6 times 5 over 2 negative plus 5. So we will solve it further. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20 over negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2, and this one will be equals to 3, and negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15 and plus 5. Okay, this one equals to positive 10 plus 15 plus 5 is 20. So we can say that y coordinate is 20. For the x coordinate, negative 5 over 2. So this point is negative 5 over 2 comma 20, and y is equal to 6 for the x coordinate, negative 1 over 2. So second point is negative 1 over 2 comma 6. So these are two stationary points for the given equation. Let's move to the question number 4.